Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, you can see I'm riding solo. That's just because I'm heading to the shop. Morgan and all the boys will be there. So anyway, stick around, just some mowing footage, and we'll talk about some other things. So stick around and we'll be right back. Do some work, but I'm gonna check the quacking out real quick, or my ducks. This is my garden. Got pumpkins and squash I can't keep up with. Cucumbers look like they need to be picked right there. Tomatoes. We've been weeding it out here. We gotta finish getting in here around these tomato plants, but yeah, it's doing well. Let's go check on the ducks. So I built this pond for them, but it's leaking bad, so I'm gonna have to tear it apart and figure out how to reseal that in there. Where are you going? Food, water, everything's okay, so. What are you doing, Jack? He wants to play with me. But yeah, we're gonna head to the shop and get some work done. Oh, it was a good weekend. Good weekend. Relaxing weekend, I guess. We had a family reunion. It was fun. Meeting up with some of my wife's side of the family. People I haven't seen in years. So, anyway, all right. Let's get back at it.
Needs a song, every bell cries out to be around, every dog wanna wag its tail. Life ain't nothing but a pilgrim trail. Every message needs a dove, and everything grows with a drop of love. We're all hanging on tooth and nail. It's a rocky road, this pilgrim trail. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Sometimes heaven, sometimes hell. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Let's meet up down the pilgrim trail. For a sail, like every campfire needs a tale. We're on this freight train going down the rail, together on this pilgrim's trail. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Sometimes heaven, sometimes hell. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Where everything is up for sale. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Let's meet up down the pilgrim trail.
Hey long dogs. So hope you like that footage. I really don't have much for this video. Just letting you know the next video will be kind of fun. It's going to be on our little kayaking trip we took about a week ago with the in-laws and my daughter's boyfriend. So check out the next video. You'll see it probably Sunday. But anyway, hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. It's Floyd. I'll talk to you later.